Jimmy Scratch Talk. We are now doing a magnet experiment. I'll show you what we're
Magna
doing.
blocks.
Magnet block.
He's going to build us a tower.
So,
Tell him how many blocks you need.
I need like 4 over here and 4 over here. If you guys...
How many blocks in total do you need?
So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8 blocks to go over here, and then I need the roof to go on here.
Doing good, buddy.
I can show you guys. And like, if you go on the website, you can actually find some magnet blocks. And I want to show you guys something that I'm gonna do in a video.
Oh, hey, buddy. That one's over there. It's broken. Okay, so tell him.
So if you guys want to check out of our very old house garage talks by my dad over here, you can
build your thing. Show him what you showed me. So I came home and he was building this all by himself, and it's pretty cool. It's like a magic trick. So Hunter, finish doing your magic trick, buddy. Get all the stuff you need.
Need like more blocks, guys. You can get. It also comes with a bag. Look over here. So, Daddy, you hand me some more squares.
Put that there. You need more squares?
No, Daddy. No. I'll need some more squares.
Yeah, you need more squares?
No, Daddy, I need some when I ask. I'll ask you.
You silly goose. Okay, go ahead. Keep building your thing.
So you just put 2 across here and 2 across here. Oh, actually, thanks, Daddy. I actually did need some more squares pretty fast. Yes, I did. And then you'll need 2 over here, and then you'll need to turn it around and then get 2 more squares. Put them flat across like this.
And what do you do?
Actually, so you'll need some like a triangle right here, a triangle. Actually, a triangle right there, a triangle right there, and a triangle right over there.
You're doing such a good job, buddy.
And then we go like that.
That's
Look,
cool.
So this is so far kind of looks like a little suction cup.
That's cool, buddy. Okay.
And then we take this. I get it. I do it big, even bigger.
Show him how you did it around the base last time.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really cool, Hunter. So when we did this earlier, he built all of this other than this part.
Don't tell him. I'm gonna tell them.
Okay, you tell him.
So I just cross-worded like that, and Dad, can you give me some more squares?
Yeah.
No, I just need 2 more squares.
Okay,
That's
there you
gonna
go.
wrap it up for today's video. That's what Unspeakable said, but.
Okay, let's do it. That is super cool. Just fix it, buddy. That is super cool. That was really cool.
If you guys want to get your own magnet blocks, you can go to Walmart or Walmart.com, and they have these.
I believe we got these on Amazon.
Yeah, we got those on Amazon. You
MyBoat.
can do whatever you want on Amazon. You can buy these cool little magnet blocks.
That's cool, huh, Hunter?
That is how you make a magnet block house.
That's really cool, Hunter. Yeah, that's really cool. All right.
Oh, look, so my dad actually did a video with these. I want to show you this now. So I'm gonna.
You want to do the house thing?
Yeah, but I want to show you guys.
Let's do the house in another video, okay, buddy? We'll make another video with the house.
We'll show this in another video.
So I guess our next video together, we are gonna build a little house together, which should be a lot of fun. So if you like what we're doing here, make sure you subscribe. Hunter's having a lot of fun with these videos, and I just thought this was really cool when I got home from work today. And
we thought we could do a video of it.
And
actually, really
you did a really good